Wanna know how to win PvP battles without losing trophies? So PvP battles in KingsRoad Mobile can be really tricky, where you just simply play against another player, but you can win smart without losing trophies. First, simply check your opponent's heroes and levels. Attack weaker teams or those with type disadvantages. Upgrade your main heroes and equip the best gear for PvP. This will certainly help you get more damage and win as well. So make sure you place your tanks or high HP heroes up front and keep damage dealers semi-high for maximum efficiency. Use skills at the right time and make sure you don't spam it randomly. If an opponent is too strong, skip the fight. Saving trophies is better than risking a loss. Apply these tips and you will climb the PvP ladder steadily and safely. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.